Hallo alle zusammen, ich heiße Khushbu Lalwani und ihr seht Deutsche Freundschaft. Mein Name ist Khushbu Lalwani und ihr seht Deutsche Freundschaft. No English translations now. So, today in this episode we'll be talking about feste Präposition, fixed prepositions. Like I tell you, for an example in English, we say I am at home. I am at home. Why don't you say I am in home? Because that is how it is. You use I am at home. That is something which is fixed and we have learned so far. Similarly, in German, a specific preposition with a definite verb has a specific meaning. For example, auf as a preposition means on. Auf as a preposition means on. For example, das Buch liegt auf dem Tisch. The book is situated on the table. So on, right? But when we use auf with a particular verb, that verb as well as the meaning of the auf changes, right? For example, halten. Halten. That means stoppen. To stop. But halten auf means to be careful about something. Auf etwas Besonderes achten, right? To be careful about something. Similarly, today we are going to learn the three prepositions that are used with halten and have different meanings. We are also going to do an exercise part which will be your homework too. So let's start the video. Fangen wir an. Now the first preposition is für. Accusative. Now, here it means that to have a certain opinion about a particular person, a thing, or a situation. For example, ich halte ihn für sehr gefährlich. Ich halte ihn für sehr gefährlich. That means I think it's very dangerous. Now that it could be a person, it could be a thing, and at the same time it could be a situation. So having a particular opinion about a certain thing, at that time we use halten für, right? So that is accusative. That means the object that will be used will be accusative. Now let's move to the second one, and that is halten von jemanden oder etwas. Halten von plus dative. Now here dative is used because von is a dative preposition, right? So von plus dative, that means a dative object will be used, or the article of the object will be of the dative case. Now it means thinking about someone or something in order to get in terms of each other's approval. For example, was hältst du von dem Plan? Was hältst du von dem Plan? What do you think about the plan? And the other person replied, ich halte nicht viel von dieser Idee. I have nothing much to say about this idea, right? So the first person was asking a question about what do you think of the plan, and the second person replied that I don't think much about this, or I don't have much idea about it, right? So in the first case, when we have used etwas oder jemanden, halten für, you have a certain opinion about something. That means thinking about something. But here in jemanden oder etwas, halten von plus dative, you are asking for someone's approval, right? In the first scenario, it wasn't there. But here you are asking for someone's approval, right? So here it was was hältst du von dem Plan. Also, von के बाद dem use हुआ. That means dative object, right? So don't miss that. Make sure that you use the dative preposition and there you use the accusative preposition. Now let's move to the third one. Halten auf etwas. Halten auf etwas plus accusative. Now here, why am I saying accusative? Auf is a vexel preposition, right? So here, जब वेक्सल preposition होता है तो आपको पता है कि या तो वो accusative होगा या तो वो dative होगा. So here halten auf etwas, accusative object will be used. That is the rule. So halten auf etwas, you have to make sure that there is an accusative object, there is an accusative article, and everything considered with that object is accusative. Now let's understand it. It means auf etwas besonders achten. Auf etwas besonders achten. To be careful about something in particular, right? For example, sie hält sehr. Sie hält sehr auf Sauberkeit in der Wohnung. Sie hält sehr auf Sauberkeit in der Wohnung. She makes sure, or she really takes care of the cleanliness in the home or the apartment, right? So she takes care of the fact that there should be cleanliness. So halten auf etwas, and the object will be accusative. So sie hält sehr auf Sauberkeit in der Wohnung. I hope it was clear कि halten auf etwas कब यूज़ किया जाएगा, etwas oder jemanden halten für plus accusative कब यूज़ किया जाएगा, and etwas oder jemanden halten von dative कब यूज़ किया जाएगा. Make sure that you don't forget these cases because that are very important when you write any answer or when you do fill-ups or any of the things like that. Now let's move to the exercises part. And this was the end of our video. I really hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel Deutsche Freundschaft if you like my work. So for today, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiederhören und ciao. Namaste.